Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be setting up the month of April in our health planners, and I've got these sticker sheets ready to go, as well as these pens I'll be using, along with a printer I just got to make some stickers, and these sticker books which I'll be pulling from, although I'm not sure about that one. So I'm going to be doing a couch to 5K plan as well as a 30-day push-up plank challenge for this month. So I'm going to go ahead and set everything up for that. And I decided to do a rainbow theme this month, and to do that I had this empty sticker sheet, extra sticker stuff. I don't know what you call that, but basically the leftovers from a sticker sheet. And I liked that it was the whole sheet covered in color, and I thought it was such a waste to just throw out that extra layer of sticker. So I decided to try to reuse it, and my idea came to cutting out strips from the colors and using that to kind of forward the rainbow decor theme. Now when I cut it, I did just use an X-Acto knife and a ruler, so some of them are a little bit fatter or thicker than others. They're also kind of a little bit wonky in places where my knife didn't cut quite straight, slipped a little bit. But overall, they look fairly uniform, and so I'm going to go ahead and lay them across the spread. I had exactly 7, so I thought, okay, 7 days I could use them across as the beginning of the day. So that's kind of how I'm using them. So the last side of the box will be empty on the end, and it's the same for the one towards the spine. As I was laying them in, I realized that I think I wanted them to not go into the empty days. So I started trimming them out and decided to do that. And of course, I'm using my own printable, which I love. I love the neutral layout. However, the paper I chose, although very clean and bright, is a little bit sticky as far as the stickers really like it and won't like to come off sometimes. So a lot of times I end up pulling up the paper a bit from this paper. However, aside from that, the paper is awesome. And if you're looking for any of that, my printables or the paper, just check the description below. I link all the items I use in the video below, so have at it. So right now I am whiting out the lines for the empty days so that it kind of has more of an open feel and creates more of a unity within that box structure. I'm using my Jelly Roll white opaque pen. That also will be in the description if you're looking for it. And so what I decided to do was to put the push-up plank challenge information at the top of each day in these highlighted areas. So I'll just be marking what amount of push-ups I need to do, as well as how long I need to hold the plank each day to build up. And so that's what you'll be seeing me do once I get to writing things in. So I decided to kind of do again that rainbow theme, so I'm just color coding as I go with the pens I have to make that happen. Okay, so the structure's all set up, and I'm going to go ahead and start with the header part of this. I made this sticker using that printer up in the corner. It's from Foam Memo, and it's really proving already to be very useful as far as making my own custom stickers. It only does black stickers, but you can do a lot with them, I'm finding. I wasn't real sure how much I would be able to use it outside of the purpose I got it for, which was for stat stickers, but I am finding many ways to use it, so I'm pretty excited that I have it. I'll be doing a product review of this very soon, so look out for that video, and there will be freebies. And so here I made a cute little couch to 5K sticker to kind of lead into my workout plan. I'm going to add just some cuteness around in the sidebar and in that lower corner as well. This One Day at a Time sticker had a gold foil border, and I didn't want to add in foil to the spread, so I just trimmed that out. I also decided to use a box sticker down there to use those up. I really don't have very many places to use box stickers in my spreads, so I want to use them wherever I can. And I thought that the message was pretty good. Just making sure that I, don't sit on my butt all day. I can get out there and get things going. I just need to put in the effort. And each one of these little circle stickers has a sports bra in it as decor, and then they have little sayings that are all a little different. Just some good encouraging words. And this little by little that I'm pulling back up because I think I want to move things around a bit. So I wanted to put that there, but I wanted the foot not to actually encroach upon the sticker, so just trying to make sure I lined it right. There we go. And now I'm going to go ahead and do that bottom part once I figure out where I want this little by little. And I pulled that Proud of Me and most of these stickers out of the fitness sticker book, at least the ones you saw me do on the sidebar and down below. And then using my friction pen to just kind of create a little winding road down the sidebar. Follow the trail and kind of make it feel like it's more of one big piece. Okay, so that looks good. I like that, but I feel like the bottom needs a little bit more. So I'm going to add in a few circle stickers just to kind of fill up the space. Okay, that feels better. At least it feels more substantial down there. Okay, so here comes the harder part, which is writing in the entire schedule. So my rest days I like to have on Saturdays, so I am redoing this plan so that I can have the rest day fall on Saturday and not on Wednesday, which is how it kind of has it set up. I already did try to start that plan originally like 2 weeks ago. So I have actually done the first 3 days already, but I fell off the wagon and I just didn't have a plan, and it just, I just tried to wing it, and it doesn't work when I try to do that. I need to have structure. So I'm hoping that having, each workout written out on my monthly, looking at it every day in my planner, I don't have to think either what day I'm doing what. Just hoping that that will help create that structure I need to get things done. I'm also entering in right now, like I said, the 30-day challenge for planks and push-ups. So I'm just writing in how many seconds and how many push-ups without putting in too much information. I'm just going to kind of have to know that's what it is. I mean, I will. It's not that complicated, but if you're just looking at it and you don't have any background, it might be hard to tell what those are for or what they mean. Maybe I'll add something after I'm done or something that kind of says what I was doing as far as the planks and push-ups. Okay, so now I'm just basically going to be writing in my schedule, following along with the way I've got it renumbered there on the sample sheet. And I got that online. I searched Couch to 5K. This was like one of the first 2 or 3 to pop up. It's from type1run.org if you want to do the same schedule. This plan seemed pretty doable for me. I used to run quite a bit, but it's been over a year now since I've run at all. So I thought it would be a good way to kind of ease myself back into it. I also obviously need some kind of workout plan because I'm not going in the gym because of COVID-19 and everything is closed, and it's just been really hard for me to work out. So I'm hoping that just this structure will help me get things done. And I always feel better as long as I do a basic plan. I really like to work out a lot. I like to have 2 hours a day if I can, but that has definitely not happened at all in March due to that shutdown of my gym. So, just at least knowing that I'm doing something every day and getting it done is really important for me to keep my morale going as far as workouts, because it's really easy. I don't know about you guys, but it's really easy for me to slip into I'm not doing it lazy groove, and then I just never come out of it. So just at least easing myself back into a plan, a structure, hopefully will get me back on track and feeling good and eating healthy, not making bad choices, all that good stuff. It's all kind of connected for me. I feel like I'm doing good, then other things follow. If I feel like lazy, things just do not happen. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up down below. Go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch. And think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. Bye.